The art of leading questions. A conversation starter. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English conversations. Leading questions. They play a crucial role in steering discussions, interviews, and everyday interactions. Mastering them can really help you navigate English conversations smoothly. Let's get started. A leading question is one that encourages a specific response, or that includes the information the questioner wants to confirm. These are often used to guide a conversation, get a desired answer, or nudge the respondent towards a certain viewpoint. For instance, consider these two questions. Do you like ice cream? Don't you love ice cream on a hot day? The second one is a leading question because it nudges towards a positive response. Let's look at some more examples to help clarify the concept. 1. You're planning to finish your work today, aren't you? 2. You would agree that reading books is beneficial, wouldn't you? 3. We had fun at the party last night, didn't we? Each of these questions guides the respondent towards a particular answer. They are more than just asking for information. They are influencing the direction of the conversation. Now, it's time for some practice. Try to transform these standard questions into leading questions. 1. Do you exercise daily? 2. Did you like the movie? 3. Are you planning to visit Rome? Now, let's see how you did. 1. You exercise daily to stay healthy, don't you? 2. The movie was thrilling, wasn't it? 3. You must be excited about your upcoming visit to Rome, aren't you? Remember, the goal of a leading question is to steer the conversation in a certain direction or elicit a specific response. But be mindful. Leading questions can sometimes come across as manipulative, so use them thoughtfully and sparingly. That's a wrap for today's lesson on leading questions. We hope this tutorial will help you take your conversational skills to the next level. Happy practicing, and we'll catch you in the next video. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. So, keep practicing and improving. See you next time.